not an official government ID, but thank you. Give us the
this is on camera. We're not making this up. Like, you act like we really...
Ma'am, give me her purse.
You don't need to be extra, okay?
Just do what we tell you.
Why are you saying we're being extra? I don't know what that means, but I can honestly say you guys are being ridiculous.
I gave it to her.
Okay, thank you for the purse.
Hey, can I have your badge numbers, please?
My ID is 7718. Make your way to the sidewalk, please. My ID number is 7718. Make your way to the sidewalk.
Can I not talk to you, please?
I'm Sergeant Smith. No, right now, you already said you want to talk to us.
No, I want to talk to you.
What would you like to talk about? I'm right here. I'll give you my time. Okay. He already told us. Look, she has. You guys want anything else? 7.
What's his name? It's Rachel.
So I had to think about it. And I'm Smith.
Like, you're the sergeant. You shouldn't have to elevate anything. I understand that you're upset. I can understand.
We're not upset.
Look, I'm just trying to make sure we're not right. I understand she's under the influence. But I'm sober, okay, sir? I understand my role.
Honestly, my concern is that she's wanting to first back, and you're basically telling her.
No, if I hear it from her, I will be perfectly fine. I appreciate it. Have a great night. We all charge
It's a facility run by volunteers.